Hello everyone! In today's video I'm going to give you some channel updates for the future. As you probably already saw, we have a new logo now. In my opinion, it looks more professional than the previous one. We also have a new YouTube banner on which you can find some info about our content, and as you can see we changed our edit style, so that it fits the look of our channel. Before I forget, I also want to thank you guys for the amazing support on our YouTube channel. Thanks to you, we reached 25k subscribers. Also, the support on Instagram is overwhelming. There we are currently almost at 60k followers. As a final point, I would like to announce something really fun. We are currently working on merchandise for our channel. It's the first time we are doing this and we can hardly wait to show you the designs. We will definitely keep you up to date when the merch goes online. These were all the updates for our channel. I hope everything was clear. If there are any questions, don't hesitate to post them in the comments. We are happy to answer them.